Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, welcome. Hey guys, today I've got about a 7 or 8 year old HP desktop. I need to replace the heatsink thermal paste on. So I've never done it, but I'm going to film it and advertise this as a how-to video, because it can't be that hard, and you know, maybe entertaining, or I'll screw it up. But a couple weeks ago I opened the computer and it kept running the fan constantly when I'm just doing basic stuff, real loud, and I think it's overheating. So I took the fan heatsink off the CPU, and yeah, it was all dried up and crumbling, basically just crumbled away. So I went on eBay and ordered some $2.99 thermal paste here, and here's my computer. It's a HP H8-1234. It's an AMD FX 6120 6-core 3.50 gigahertz HP Pavilion HPE. It's got a really shitty graphics card. Alright, so we've got 4 screws here. So yeah, as you can see, the thermal compound is just all turned to dust, basically. Get a close up of it. I think I got too much light here, but yeah. So yeah, got the heatsink, and as you can see, the thermal paste is just, I guess that's it. I need to clean this old stuff off. Probably need to take the CPU out, I guess, but it's been a long time since I did that. I think I got too much rubbing alcohol on it. And the heatsink as well here. Yeah, I'm using rubbing alcohol. So now you can actually see the AMD FX processor. Alright, so all nice and clean with the rubbing alcohol. Alright guys, so I got everything all cleaned up. I'm going to reinstall the CPU. Which is easy. So yeah, the thermal paste I got here is Protronics Series 7 thermal paste. So this was $2.95 with free shipping on eBay, and I can link below if you're actually interested. I mean, this computer, I don't use it for anything but web browsing, watching videos, and very light editing. Mostly I have a new computer for that, not gaming or anything, so it doesn't need super high performance. It just needs something basic that works. And we'll see, because it runs, the fan runs quite often in its current condition, and that's basically with no thermal paste. Put the cat back on. It's probably too much, but tighten this, of course, is the factory heatsink. And I looked into upgrading this to maybe increase the performance a little bit, but I just don't need it. I have an HP Pavilion, which I keep meaning to make a review video on. I filmed the unboxing of it, and I never did post it, which I might still do that. Post the unboxing video of my HP Omen. It's like a $1,300 computer that I got on clearance at Walmart for $700. It's about half off. Thought many times about upgrading this computer, but it's just so limited, and especially the graphics card obviously would need to be the main thing to upgrade, because it's just a basic. I don't even know what the specs are on it. 512 megabytes or something. But yeah, let's hook this bad boy up and see how it does. It's always a good idea to keep your computer area clean, so yeah, vacuum it off. something burning. Hopefully it was the light. Unfortunately, I didn't do any performance tests. That's what I should have done. That way we could see how the thermal compound is performing after. Oh, look at that. And maybe an office tour. Maybe I like to do a review of this Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's good, but the battery runs out way too quickly. Alright, so it's now 8:05 p.m. I've been using the computer for a couple hours with no issues at all. No spinning up with the fan overheating. So I think my thermal, of course I did take the cover back off when I thought I smelled burning earlier, but yeah, no issues. I think my thermal paste did the job. I really do. In the meantime, we also went by the pawn shop and I picked up this Logitech webcam HD 1080p for 15 bucks. Pretty good deal. And my son got a LG G3 cell phone for 60 bucks. And then he threw in this Samsung fast charger for free. I was like, heck yeah, these are expensive. Works on my Note 8. But alright guys, once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I got other stuff to make videos on here that hopefully we'll get to soon, like this HP Omen desktop, and maybe this Logitech webcam I just got, or you know, maybe I don't know, maybe these Oakley sunglasses, or this Oakley gold carabiner, or this $1 trillion bill. So, peace out.